everyone, Sid here back again with another video. So in this video I am going to discuss about LMS system, so learning management system. So here we have some plan about the LMS system. If you have any coaching classes, any institute, and also if you want to make any product related to Udemy, okay, and any platform like where you can sell your product. Basically the product means here you can sell your any particular tutorials in the portal. Okay, so how you can set up your website and your product, LMS product basically. So here with the quick introductions about the LMS. So now here I'm going to show you some step about the how you can set up. Okay, so we have the our market something, so you can check out from here. So how this is working, here you can check the private video solution. What it is means, suppose you have uploaded video in private, but you cannot see the exactly the private video, and not you, basically you can see but other people cannot see. But if you want to sell something, any premium subscription thing, so of course you can select a private video solution. So here the just example here you can check. Okay, so if you're playing something here, we sorry but we are unable to load video, please contact the support team. So if you are added as a private video, so you will get these alert. Okay, and what are the features in DomainRacer? So you can check here YouTube brand name in video, so you can put your name also inside the video. Okay, and here non-relevant advertisement, so you don't need to put a lot of advertisement. Okay, so video suggestions also is there. Premium video, if you want you can also do that. Okay, so here no brand logo, suppose if you want your brand something, so you can promote. Okay, so basically these are the difference between the two functionalities. Here you have the premium qualities video you want, of course you can do that. Here no advertisement, okay, no suggestions, and new video player, also the security reasons, and customizations also option also is there. Here you can check also the most important things about the tutor LMS. So how this is working basically, hope so you know about the Udemy. Okay, Udemy is a really big platform, so if you want to make like a Udemy also, you can definitely you can make like a Udemy. So hope so you also know about it. If you don't know about the Udemy, let me show you. This is Udemy platform. Okay, so here you can check, suppose if you need any particular tutorials like this one. So of course, so hope so this is aware about, now you are aware about this product. So of course if you want to make such kind of videos and platform you need, so of course you can make an account basically DomainRacer. Also you can buy domain from the DomainRacer. If you need a hosting and complete LMS system also you can buy as a cheapest rates at compared to any other platform. So really this is a really nice platform where you can buy the domain and hosting plan is there. So add on with a 70% off, you can check the already is content you can buy basically. So what are the features you can get in basically by the DomainRacer? We have the course assignment course. What kind of course you can customize the UI part also is there. Okay, and also you can check the solution if you need any assignment, so you can assign the assignment also. Also you can create a Zoom meeting if you want something. Okay, you can sell the premium membership, so promoting the videos and your course something, so you can sell your membership also. Okay, and here you can check certificate. If you want to send a certificate to any student, also you can customize the certificates here, and also you can send them. And quiz participants also, if you want to any question answer participating things also you can create, and you can assign the student also. A student can submit the quiz something. So such kind of platform is there, is really amazing platform you can say. And here you can check LMS hosting. Now we save, so other platform the selling this product 109 year something, $109 per year. Here you can get 40% off. Service backup they are not providing, you can get the service backup also is there. DomainRacer domain price, other website is really high, you can get the low price as compared to any other services. LMS software 149, you can get the 75% off in the, and if you are using the DomainRacer. You can just private video platform, you need to pay around the $49 per year. Here is free. Light speech technology they're not providing you light speed technology, but here you can get free. Also setup video training, they're not giving you setup video training, here you can just set up video training. Accept payment, also you can integrate the PayPal, any particular payment gateway if you want to integrate, of course you can integrate here. And installations part, they're charging around the $35, here is the lowest price. So and here you can also this 256 SSL card, something you need to no payment is you need to pay here. So hope so you understand what are the benefit. Amazing benefit is there if you're going to buy DomainRacer. Okay, and here you can check the LMS hosting private video platform. Okay, so you can check here, if you need a 5 website, up to 5 website, you need to pay this particular amount. Here you will get the unlimited storage, LMS license, free SSL setup, private video solution. And what you will get here, you can same things also you will get here, but here you can host only one website. Okay, so single website which you need to pay 104, and unlimited website, I mean not unlimited, you need to if you want to upload a 5 website, then you need to pay $144. Okay, so depends on the plan you can buy, it's totally depend on you. Okay, and here what are the benefit, 24/7 secure services is there. If you need any technical support, definitely you can contact the technical support. Here also you can click the chat options, you can directly contact with them. Okay, and here you can also send the mail if you, I think so here mail support is @ here, but might be some technical issues, ad is there. Of course you need to think about support @domainracer.com. this is a bug. DomainRacer guys, you need to fix this @ basically, you need to not add @ you need to put here. So here the plan basically, so depends on your requirement, of course you can buy here. So next video I will explain you how you can create an account in DomainRacer. Okay, how you can get the premium membership, also how you can install and set up like a Udemy platform. So I will explain you step by step. Hope so this video is really helpful for you, how you about the basic informations related to DomainRacer and also the LMS information I have already given in this video. Also if you need any kind of videos in any specific programming languages, definitely let me know, so I will create a separate video for you. Thank you for watching this video.